Are your PDFTron apps crashing due to the PDFNetc Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Get the professional PDFNetc library fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the PDFNetc library, the PDFNet SDK core library. It provides high-performance unmanaged routines for PDF manipulation, including rendering, redaction, and annotation. It manages the orchestration of complex PDF object tree manifests and facilitates secure document data links. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The PDFNetc library DLL library is a specialized asset belonging to the PDFTron environment, and you must reinstall the host program that is displaying the error to ensure all internal dependencies are properly synchronized. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including PDFNetc library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. A quick warning, many sites offering PDFNetc Library DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below, related to managing PDFNetc library references. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for PDFNetc library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.